you are a counselor or a counseling doctor or someone who is counseling a patient in any role, when you say something like, this is our most popular procedure, patients are so happy with this. I had 5 patients just today decide to move forward. That's social proof. That is telling me, as the patient in front of you, this is great. Other people think this is great. Other people are making this decision to move forward. That's social proof.
And that's powerful. Mm-hmm. Welcome to Success Confidentials.
9 minutes every week that'll level up your practice. If you're a healthcare visionary obsessed with patient experience, team culture, marketing, and growth, you're in the right place.
We are too. We're Lauren
and Christine,
the patient whisperers. We worked together for 4 years as leaders in a real premium practice.
We did not play in the traditional healthcare sandbox and believe human emotions drive all success, and it really, really worked. We grew our cash pay practice an average 60% year over year.
And on social media, we grew our followers from 1,000 to 14,000 in just 2 years, generating millions in annual revenue from social media alone.
So now we're out here sharing what made us wildly successful so you can be too.
Let's have some fun.
Let's dive in.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Success Confidentials. Today we're talking about social proof. If your marketing is missing social proof or you're not sure what it is, keep watching. So Christine, share with us, what is social proof?
Social proof is essentially a psychological phenomenon. It's a term that became popular when Dr. Robert Cialdini, a professor of psychology, coined it in his book, Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, which is now actually a cornerstone text in marketing.
It's also called informational social influence.
Essentially, Cialdini suggested that it's one of the 6 key principles of influence. It's the idea that people copy the actions of others in certain situations. Essentially, Cialdini suggested it's one of 6 key principles and is the idea that in certain situations, people emulate the behavior of others. Or for us in marketing, what that means is before someone makes a financial decision, they are looking to other people to see what their experience was like and how they feel about it before making that financial decision.
And why this is important is because understanding social proof and how to use it in marketing is crucial in today's world.
And it really makes a difference when we're looking at conversions, right? Filling that schedule with those premium patients.
This conversation will help you identify gaps in your own social proof so you can appeal to your various patient types. Picture this, you're shopping for a new laptop case. You've narrowed down your top contenders to 3 based on the pictures and the features they offer. The first case has 500 reviews and 4.7 star rating.
Okay.
It's great, right? The second one has the same rating, but it won the Tech Consumer Award. And then you do a quick search and find that there's people on social media raving about this exact product. The third product has absolutely no reviews. Which one would you go with?
I mean, I think it makes sense. I would go with number 2 because not only are there good reviews, but people are talking about it online and showing an unfiltered view of it in their social media videos. And it won a consumer award, which means it was that great that people voted it to win the award. So all of those things essentially are social proof.
It's the same thing for our patients. They're measuring our practice, service, or procedures based on social proof.
Yeah, they want to know, are other people doing this? Are other people getting good results? Are other people happy? Is this solving other people's problems? Do other people come here to you and say that you're great? That's all social proof. So if I want to add social proof to my marketing, what do I need to add? I think the most common one that we all instantly think of is patient reviews. putting those on our website, adding them to our social media. But what are some other types of social proof?
Like working with influencers or brand ambassadors, posting awards if you're in the media or press, Best of the Best awards, user-generated content, and sharing patient videos.
And even volume. How many procedures have you done? If you've done 30,000 of these procedures, that's also social proof. That means 30,000 other people have trusted you with their whatever, vision, bodies, faces. That's social proof also.
It's important to have a lot of and diverse types of social proof to appeal to our various types of potential patients that really could resonate with different things.
Also in counseling, this can apply. If you are a counselor or a counseling doctor or someone who is counseling a patient in any role, when you say something like, this is our most popular procedure, patients are so happy with this. I had 5 patients just today decide to move forward. That's social proof. That is telling me as the patient in front of you, this is great. Other people think this is great. Other people are making this decision to move forward. That's social proof.
And that's powerful. And as it applies to social media, when our social media is thriving and people are commenting on our organic posts or ads and other people are seeing it, that is social proof because it impacts the way that they now view our practice or our services and procedures.
I always notice on business posts, like if I stop and actually look at the post and I'm interested, I always notice how many likes and comments and what people are saying. Always. It's so powerful. It's very validating to that brand. Our number one takeaway here today is if you are driving traffic, especially from paid ads, to a website or landing page, add social proof this week, and here's why. Studies show that landing pages with one or more types of social proof lift conversions. That means more inquiries, more patients into your practice. It lifts conversions by 52%. That's over half. That's what we want.
Also, make sure that your social media and patient inquiry pipeline, your text messages, emails, have social proof everywhere.
And add this to your training program for your counselors, doctors, whoever is counseling patients, to add that element of social proof into how they counsel patients. Who is doing this? How many people are having it done? What are patients saying? And you will see conversions increase. As always, we don't leave you without resources. We have our online review and assessment can look at your practice online and see where you're missing social proof or how to incorporate it. And our team training program really spells out how to incorporate social proof into the counseling process. If we can help you with anything related to today's topic, use the link to schedule a free 30-minute synergy session just for new practices.
For our existing practice clients, you already know where to find us.
Now we want to hear from you. What resonated? What other topics are hot for you right now? We want to know all about it in the comments.
We're just a comment away, so if you have any questions, we personally respond to all comments and DMs. If you're not subscribed yet, make it easy on yourself to see new episodes and reference topics that are helpful by hitting the subscribe button.